Hello everyone. So as we discussing about understanding quadrilaterals, so I have discussed about the polygons, kinds of polygons. Now let's move towards the exercise. Okay. So the first question is like that. There are given some figures and you have to find simple curve, whether it is a simple curve or simple closed curve or polygon, convex polygon or concave polygon. So let's get started. So first one question, there is so many figures that you can see here. This first one is asking about the simple curve. As you know, this is a curve, this is a curve, this is a curve, this all are actually curves, but it is not a curve. As I told you, you have to make the shape without lifting the marker. So first of all, it is not a curve because when you are making this, then you have to lifting your pen. After that, you can make this one. So it is not a curve. Okay. So these, except this, all are curve. But it is asking about the simple curve. So what is a simple curve? Simple curve means which does not cross itself at any point. Simple curve is which does not cross itself at any point. Does not cross itself. Does not cross itself at any point. So first one is a simple curve. Yes, it is a simple curve. It is a simple curve. Yes, it is also a simple curve. It is a simple curve. No, it is not a simple curve because it is crossing itself at a point, this one. So it is not a simple curve. It is a curve, but it is not a simple curve. So this is a simple curve, this is a simple curve, and also it is not a simple curve because it is also crossing itself at a point. So this is not a simple curve. So we can get the answer. Figure first, figure second, and figure 4, figure 5. These 4 figures are simple curve. Okay. Next one, it is asking simple closed curve. That is what the simple closed curve states. It states like it should have the same beginning point and ending point. So it is not a closed curve. It is not a closed. It is a closed curve. Yes. It is not a simple curve, so it is not a simple closed curve. So this one is a simple closed curve. Yes, it is also a simple closed curve. This one is a, yes, it is also a simple closed curve. So answer will be second is a simple closed curve, fourth is a simple closed curve, and fifth is also simple closed curve. Now next one is asking about the polygon. So what does the polygon states? So polygon states that a curve, a simple closed curve that is made up of entirely 9 segments. It is polygon, no. It is polygon, yes, because it has the 9 segment. It is a simple closed curve as well as it is made up of entirely 9 segments. So yes, second one is polygon. Is it a polygon? No, it is not a polygon because it is not made up of 9 segments. It is a polygon. Yes, this one is a polygon because you can see here, this is made up of entirely 9 segments. Okay? Okay. So 2 and 5 is a polygon. 2 and 5 are polygon. Convex polygon. Convex polygon states that it should have the interior angles, each interior angles less than 180 degree. Convex polygon states that interior angle is less than 180 degree. Okay. So if we see, we have only 2 polygons, that is 2 and 5. So check it out. It is a convex or concave. Yeah, it is an entity. You can say entity. It is a less than one entity, less than one entity. All four angles are less than one entity. The convex polygon, that is figure 2. Is this? No, because it is the more than one entity. You can see here. So it is not a convex. So concave. Concave states that at least one angle should be greater than 180 degree. That is a concave polygon. So figure 5 is a concave polygon. Okay. So there are many kinds of shape you can have in your book, in your chapter. So I think I make you understand how to solve these kinds of questions. So yes, let's move towards the next question. Next question is simply asking what is the regular polygon. So regular polygon, that it should have the same side length and same angle. So if I write the definition, question is asking what is regular? What is regular polygon? Regular polygon. Answer. So you should have known that what are the examples. Examples are square, examples are equilateral triangles. So these are known as the regular polygon. So a polygon is called regular polygon. So you can say a polygon is called a regular polygon. A polygon is called regular polygon if all its sides have equal length and all its angles have equal measure. This is known as the regular polygon. If it is asking what is the irregular polygon, so you can say which are not regular, so it is known as the irregular polygon. So you can give the example over here like equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle